The previous tutorial demonstrated how to prepare fresh geoduck for sashimi. Geoduck has 3 different edible parts and is commonly used in various recipes. Today I'm introducing geoduck aspic or seafood crystal, what I prefer to call, as one of the chill-looking perfect recipes for summer. Cool agar is a high-quality agar powder used to solidify liquids, making clear jelly like those used in raindrops cakes nowadays. It might not be as readily available as it is in Japan. Although it won't be as clear as cool agar, you may substitute with regular agar or gelatin for a similar outcome. There will be differences in handling, such as the solidifying temperature. Follow the instructions for each accordingly. Slice the geoduck breast into small pieces. In a pot, mix cool agar powder and dashi stock slowly to dissolve. To prevent clumping, start with a small amount of dashi, then gradually add the rest while heating on low. Agar dissolves at around 90 degrees Celsius but loses its solidifying effect under high heat. When you see small bubbles appearing along the inner pot, it's ready. Do not boil further. Add Ponzu sauce to taste. If you don't have Ponzu sauce, you can make a simple substitute by mixing soy sauce and rice vinegar in equal parts. Remember not to add acidic ingredients like ponzu or citric juice until the end, as agar won't solidify when cooked with them. Fill molds with ingredients and pour in the agar mixture. Silicone or disposable molds work well for easy preparation, and plastic cups can also be used depending on your desired presentation. Chill in the fridge until solid. Agar jelly is sensitive to physical shocks and liquefies, so remove from the mold just before serving. Add additional toppings for an enhanced appearance. Subscribe the channel for the series of professional tutorials and more practical ideas.